our darling 6 years ago, and who to go from strength to strength and make us proud as we move on. Right now to all. Raising a glass as we drink to the continued leadership of Comrade Sister P. Portia Simpson Miller.
Comrade leader, no more than ever, I'm confident that indeed you are the chosen one, well suited to lead our party and country at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in toast. Long live Party President.
Kindly raise your glasses with me in salute to a wonderful, beautiful, strong Jamaican woman. At this time, Comrade Audrey Johnson has a special gift that she wants to present to our Prime Minister.
This token in remembrance of our election that she has won, the first woman
It is my supreme pleasure and a joy to invite the comrades, as they are seated, to raise their glasses in salute of a fine lady, our Prime Minister, Comrade Portia Simpson.
On behalf of all the officers of our great party, I ask you to stand and raise a toast to our beloved party leader and Prime Minister on this, the 6th anniversary of her leadership. May she live long, prosper, and guide Jamaica to prosperity.
Thank God for giving me the strength, the courage, determination, the will, the stamina, and provided me with a heart full of love. So I know that He will guide us through. And as I always say, I will continue to look to the hills from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord. I assure you, my role and work will be on behalf of all Jamaicans. And I want to encourage those who have to help us to grow the economy so that we can help those who do not have. I will be living up to the charge and the challenge given to the People's National Party by our founding father and the founding mothers and fathers of this noble movement. And I want to quote one of the founding fathers, Norman Washington Manley, when he said, the interests of all classes are bound up together, but there's one that predominates and above and beyond all others, and that's the masses of the people. But that the People's National Party should work unswervingly to do everything possible to lift the standard of living of the masses of the people of this country. It is a serious charge and a challenge. But the fact that I am the fulfillment of Norman Manley's dream that won from humble beginning, and he said he wanted it from the young intellectuals to the young barefoot boy in the corner to be involved in this movement and must feel wanted and must be able to make their contribution. And as the fulfillment of one of Norman Manley's dream, I am determined to ensure I carry through the challenge that was thrown to the People's National Party by our founding mothers and fathers of this noble movement. I want to thank you so much for your support. I ask that you continue to pray for me and to pray for the team. I do not speak without I speak about the team. It's not about me, it's about us. It's about a team and about all Jamaicans. I want to thank you so much for your support tonight. God bless you. And I thank you so much for your support.